morning, children. Okay, today I am going to take one beautiful lesson. There was a moral. After listening the lesson, you have to write your views whether it is a good or bad what the boy did. Okay, after listening the lesson. So that lesson name is Little Bobby. Little Bobby. Bobby is the name of the person. Maybe that is the nickname of the boy. So, what was the behavior of the boy? What is the name of the boy we learned? So, how was the behavior? We are going to know. So, this type of the children we are going to see here and there in our class, in our besides our house, neighborhood, like that we are going to see. Little Bobby. Little Bobby came into the kitchen when his mother was making dinner. His birthday was coming up and he thought this was a good time to tell his mother what he wanted. Actually, you are also doing like that only. So when our teacher asks to get the parent signature in the school record, what you'll do? If you did a mistake, you won't go in the evening. You won't go in the night. When you are taking the dinner, you won't go. In the morning, when mummy was in the kitchen, you'll go and taking the parents' signature. But mummy didn't see what you written. What is there? Mummy wants to buy because mummy also busy. Like that. Here also, the boy, when mother was in the kitchen, he went to mummy. What he was asking, he got one idea. Mummy was so busy. If I ask, mummy will accept what my want. Like that, he thought and went to the kitchen. What is asking? See, Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. I want a bike. What was the wish of the? What was the want of the Bobby? He wants to a gift. What was the gift here? A bike. Mummy, have you remembered? Mom, my birthday is coming. No, my birthday's gift is a bike. Bike I want. Like that, but that Bobby asked mother. Actually, parents' love is love only, no ma. But when you are in misbehavior, parents made you some polite manner. They wanted to give, but they wanted to a change in your life. But here also, mummy listened. What was the want of the Bobby? Then what mummy saying? Listen carefully. Little boy was a bit of a troublemaker. He had gotten into trouble at school and at home. Here the Bobby was not a good boy. Bobby was a troublemaker, maybe naughty boy, maybe mischief boy at school and at home only. Both sides. He was not getting the good name. But wherever he goes, he was getting the Bobby was a bad because he was a naughty boy, troublemaker. Then he had gotten into trouble at school, at home. Bobby's mother asked him if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. Deserved means worthy. Are you worthy to take a bike for your birthday? Like that, mummy giving the chance to think about the behavior of the Bobby. Actually, parents also what they'll ask, na? If you are a good, if you get the good marks, I'll buy. Like that, they will give the one condition. Like that, here also, mummy is giving one condition. Go and think. Are you deserved? Deserved means qualified to have something. What was the something here? Bike. Are you qualified? Are you deserved? Are you worthy? Deserved means worthy also you can write. Worthy. Are you worthy to take the bike? Then Bobby's little Bobby, of course, thought he did. Little Bobby, of course, what he did. What he was remembering, he was thinking, yes, I am worthy to take a bike. I am a good boy. Like that, maybe he was thinking himself. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect. Reflect means think. Reflect means think. Bobby's mother giving the scope to think what was the behavior of the Bobby. So why are you deserved? Mummy asked. Then mummy also giving one more chance. You go and think. Do you have a desire? Are you taking the? Are you willing to take the bike like that? Mummy asking. Bobby's mother wanted to have reflect to his behavior over the last year and said, "Go to your room, Bobby, and think about how you have behaved this year. Then write a letter to God and tell Him why you deserve a bike for your birthday." What mummy asking? Bobby, you go and think. Go to your room. Go to your room. Why you are asking a bike? Why you are asking a bike? Then you go to your room, close your room and write a letter to God. Why mummy asking to write a letter to God? God never show the partiality. Parents will show the partiality sometime. Then human beings will show the partiality. Then mummy asking the Bobby to go and write a letter to God. Then tell him why you deserve. Is there any good quality you have? Why you deserve it to take a bike? Then you go and write a letter to God. Because Bobby didn't listen mummy's words, I think. Maybe that is the point number. So why mummy asking do you write a letter to God? Maybe Bobby didn't obey. Bobby was a troublemaker. That's all. At least he knows the value of the God. Then at least he will pray to God. Like that, mummy giving the scope to Bobby to write a letter to God. Then how he was going to see? Little boy stumped up. Stumped means keeping the leg fast, tight, roughly, harshly, in the impolite way. Stumped. Stumped means walked in a way in an upset mood. What my mummy asked me to write a letter to God. Then why my mummy didn't listen? Like that, he got an angry mother. Then he went into the room. See how he was going? He stumped. Then stumped and step is Jesse, is a pet dog also followed him. He had a pet dog. Pet dog also followed the Bobby. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. He thought, and again he sat and started to write a letter to God. Jesse sat beside him. Jesse was the name of the dog. Jesse sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. Dogs are faithful animal. No, everybody knows. No, dog is a faithful animal to Bobby. What the Bobby was doing, Jesse was observing what he was doing. Now you have to remember how he written a letter. These are the different types of the letter. He started to write a letter to God. First letter, letter 1. Dear God, how he mentioned? Dear God, I have been a very good boy. I have been a very good boy this year, and I would like a bike for my birthday. I want a red. Here he wrote a letter to God. What type of the bike, what type of the color also he mentioned in that letter. First starting how he written, I have been a very good boy this year. Oh God, you give me a bike. That too, I want a red color. Then that is the first letter he written to God. Then your friend Bobby. Here conclusion, your friend. So he was the friend of the God. But while we are asking, you have to think, how am I? You have to think. But here Bobby was very mischievous. How nicely he was writing. See, oh God, I was a very good boy. I want a bike. That too, red color. Your friend. Like that he written. The second one, Bobby knew that this was not true. He knows. His conscience was not accepting. When he written, I have a good boy. I was very good this year, like that. But his conscience was not accepting. See, he know he was not good. He had not been a very good boy this year. But he wrote. So even he was writing the letter to God, there also he written a lie. Okay, ma? So while we are praying, we should be very careful one. We are praying to God. But here he was writing a letter, but his conscience was not accepted. He was not a good boy. Then good boy this year. So he tore up this letter and started again to write another letter. First letter he wrote, but his conscience was not accepting. He tore off. He torn the paper. He torn the letter. Again he started the second letter. The first letter, how he mentioned, dear God. The conclusion, your friend Bobby, like that. Second one, how he written. Letter 2, dear God, this is your friend Bobby. First what he wrote, I have been. He started. Second one, this is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you. See, I would like to take a bike that to red color. Like that. He wrote a letter. Thank you, your friend Bobby. First one he didn't say thanks. Second letter he written a thank you. The third one, Bobby knew this was not true either. This also, second letter also was not good. But he was not a good boy, but he was writing like that. He was not a good boy. First letter also he told, and second letter also he was going to tear. Bobby knew that this was not true either, so he tore up the letter and started again. Again he was going to start the third letter. First letter he written, but his conscience was not accepted. And second letter also he written, but his conscience was not accepted. Then third letter, how he was writing, dear God, only one sentence. Two sentences are there, finished. And third one, dear God, I have been and okay. First one, I have been a very good boy. And second one, I have been a good boy this year. And the third letter, I have been an okay boy this year. Okay, but not good. Not good. Okay. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. Bobby, not your friend, nothing. First letter your friend, second letter also your friend, and third one, no dear friend, nothing, nothing. Only written the Bobby. Only one sentence and finished. Then what happened? Bobby knew he could not send this letter to God either. So Bobby wrote the fourth letter. This letter also didn't send to God. First letter also don't. Second letter also don't. And third letter also don't. Why? Whenever we behave like that, our conscience won't accept. Sometimes those who did the mistake, they will console themselves. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. But face is the index of the mind. Whatever you do, your face is showing you did wrong. So my dear student, you be careful. But here also, Bobby's conscience was not accepting. The third letter also, he told, and again started the fourth letter. Letter 4, God. No dear God, nothing, only God. God, I know I have not been a good boy. God, I know. But first, second, third letters he didn't write, I know. Fourth letter, I know I have not been a good boy this year. Really God, I am not a good boy this year also. But I wrote first and second, third. His conscience was not accepting. That's what he told. And fourth letter he was writing, I am not a good boy. I am very sorry. I will be a good boy. I will be a good boy. There is a future tense. I will be a good boy. If there is any chance, if you give a bike, I will be a good boy. Like that. Mummy, if you give, I'll get the good mark. Whatever I'll ask, if you give, I'll do that one. Like that, that's a condition. So, I will be a good boy if you just to send me a bike for my, but if you said, I'll be good. Otherwise, he will be like that only. So, he given a challenge to God. He was asking, see, if you give, I'll be good. Then, please, thank you, Bobby. Then, 4 letters, he written like that. Again, what happened to Bobby? See, he didn't write the true. But 4th letters, he given one condition. He given a condition to God. Oh God, if you give a bike, I will be good. There's a future. I will be good. Then, Bobby knew even if it was true, this letter was not going to get him a bike. Now, Bobby was very upset. He was in upset mood. His mind was not good. His mood was not good. Why my mummy didn't you? Why my mummy asked me to write a letter to God? Like that, his mind was not in good position. He went downstairs and told his mom that he wanted to go to church. So whenever when you are in that condition, if you say, mummy, mummy, today I am going to temple, today I am going to church, today I am going to mass, how the parents will feeling happy or not? They feel happy. Appa, my girl changed, my daughter changed, my boy changed, my son changed. Now today, whenever I asked to come to pray, they didn't come. But today, they themselves are asking to, we are going to church, temple and mass. Wow, what a great. And then maybe mommy feel happy. No, here the boy saying, mummy, mummy, today I am going to church. Bob's mother thought that her plan had worked. Oh God, you listen my prayer. My son going to change. My son going to church. Really, you are a God. Mummy feeling happy. Why? Because Bobby was going to church. Then mummy thinking my plans had worked. But here Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked. His Bobby looked very sad. Here, where is the past perfect? Where is the past tense? After the lesson, you write in the textbook. So, which is the first action? Which is the second action? I thought no. Then, just he came in time for dinner. Bobby's mother told him, "Mummy, feeling happy, my dear son. After coming, you come for a dinner fast. Don't delay. Don't waste the time. Don't stand here and there. Don't talk to anybody in the church. After the church, you come for the dinner." How happy, mummy. Mummy is love, only love. No? So, though Bobby was a very naughty boy, but mummy does not know what was the heart of the Bobby. When Bobby said, "I'm going to church," what mummy saying? Just become in time for dinner. Don't delay. Come for dinner. Bobby's mother told him. Bobby walked down the street to the church on the corner. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. Altar means in churches, one table will be there. There was a pastor giving the speech, okay, message. That is the altar. So he went near the altar. Bobby went into the church and went to the near the altar. Then what he was doing? He looked around to see if anyone was there, looking like this, like this. Why? Because when we look like this, when we are taking without knowing anyone, no. So though he was in church, near the altar, that boy's heart was not good. He was looking like this, like this. Is there anyone? Why? See, he looked around to see if anyone was there. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the Mother of God. Why he bending down? He bent down to take a statue of Mary, the Mother of Jesus Christ. Though he was in church, he was taking without knowing. He stolen like a thief. Then he kept where he was keeping Bobby. He slipped the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street, into the house and up to his room. He took the statue and kept inside of the shirt without looking hither and there. He ran fast into the house and went into the room. Why? Because like a thief, he did a wrong day. So he went into the room and closed the door, and what he was asking to God, see, he shut the door of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and pen. Bobby began to write his letter to God. Fifth letter, how he was writing, see, first four, there was nothing. Last fourth letter, he given a condition to God. If you give, I'll be good. Then fifth letter is a very strange one. See here, God, no dear God, God have kidnapped your mum. If you want to see her again, send the bike. See, what a terrible boy, what a naughty boy. Oh God, if you want to see your mother, you send me a bike. You send me a bike. That is the children's habit. Joy, no, funny way. Sometimes we are seeing our children also behaving like that. If you give, I give. So this is your pen. If you give that one, if you give my pen, I will give this one. Like that, this Bobby also kidnapped the mother of the God and asking, oh God, your mother is with me. If you want to see your mother, you give me a bike. He given one condition. If you want to see, come. I give your mother, but you have to give me a bike. Then that is the letter Bobby. Then this is the Richard Rao wrote a letter. Sometime one story is there that the Benares temple. So there was a announcement. Those heart was pure. They'll come and take a golden plate. So 3 years passed. No one should take all the property. They sold out and came and stood. But their heart was not good. But no one should take. First year over, they sold out the whole property and their lands and everything. But they didn't take. One day, one poor beggar, nearly near the mass, near the temple, near the church, beggars will be standing either and there on both sides. They will take something from the people. They will give something, they will take. But here, one poor man, before that, one man went and touched the golden plate. What happened? No? Just now I told, face is the inductor, the mind. Then whenever the man went and touched the golden plate turned to lead. The golden plate turned to lead. He felt so bad. Hey, what happened this? What happened this? The priest said, your heart was not good. When we are praying, when we are asking to God, our heart should be pure. Our heart is not good. So when he turned, it became lead. When he took the hand, again it became the wood. That means his heart was not good. Then after that man, one poor fellow, he went to near the who was poorer than that man. He took his hands into his hand and talking to in smooth manner, my dear brother, don't think God is there. You pay all your problem. You pay your problem. God is there. Then very next minute, and the priest announced that man, come on, the man is worthy to take the golden plate. Okay, ma? So not our money, not our anything. Those hearts are good, definitely God will give. But here Bobby's heart was not good. He knows, but everybody knows our heart, how our heart. Our heart is saying you are doing wrong. But we are taking no notice. We are ignoring the heart and doing whatever we like it. And Bobby also was a very naughty boy. He was asking to God, I kidnap your mother. I kidnap you. If you want your mother, you give me back. Then, in your views, if it is the good, if it is the bad, you write a small passage about the Bobby. Bobby's behavior, Bobby's letters are good or bad. In your view, no need to then think anything. If it is the good, write good. If it is the bad, you write bad. Okay? Write these 5 points in your classwork. Have you understood, ma? Have a nice day.